Good day, everybody, and welcome to another exciting episode of Rolling in Crypto. I'm so glad you could join me today. Well, it has been an exciting week this week. It's another cold and blustery day here. I hope all you guys have survived this latest dip in crypto. You know, the dips in crypto are just the same as there was a dip in the stock market, and you saw the stock market came back. As you can probably see today, hopefully most of you are seeing that crypto is coming back today. So don't fear the dips. I'm pretty excited. I got to buy some coins at some prices that I didn't think I would ever see again. And unfortunately, my portfolio is coming back up today nicely. I have gotten a couple questions, like sometimes you notice I have no lens in this and no lens in this. So something particular with my eyes, but sometimes I have glasses with two lenses and sometimes one. So if it looks odd, then it's because it is odd. I have also gotten a request from a few people to speed up the intro with all the things that I have to say. So I'm going to do that faster. This is a community. We're trying to build. We are building a community. Our channel and our community is growing at 1,000% per month right now. So we're really growing. We'll thank everybody. Thank you for everybody who has joined. This is not investment advice. I'm going to show you how I invest. There's other people who come on, have videos that will show you how they invest, but do your own research. If you have a financial advisor, please contact them. This is for all of us as a group to brainstorm, to look out for scams, to teach each other, to teach each other's community, because there is so much stuff out there and crypto changes so fast that there's no way just a few of us can keep up with it. We want everybody on here to make money. We don't sell anything. We don't advertise anything. So everything you get from us is just our opinion, and this is for entertainment and opinion only. So hopefully that was faster. I will try to narrow that down so we can get to the nitty gritty faster. Today, I'm just going to show you how I actually pick my coins. Now, of course, I do some research and look around, and there's so many places to do research that are very trustworthy. CoinGecko is a great place for news. All of the exchanges usually have like a news feed on them. So I'll look at those. I don't invest in any really new coins, and that is an approach, but it just isn't my approach. My approach is to buy quality coins, hodl them, means hold them, and then stake them. So right now, for our people who are just using Coinbase, we're going to go on to Coinbase, and I'll just show you what I do. It's not anything super technical. It's not anything super complicated. So what I do is I will pick a coin that I have found that is in the top 20, and you can do that by just going over here and looking at the popularity of the coin. And you'll see right here it is 13. So that is typically my number one thing: is it in the top 20? I also like to look at the trading activity. Are there more people buying than selling? Because if it's in a sell state, I tend to be very cautious with it, and I like to watch until people are buying it again, because if they're selling, that means the price is going down, and I'll watch it closely and put in a limit buy of something that I think is going to be lower. I also do not like to buy. I like to look at the price. The price right now is $35.39, and it is up 800% all time. So I look at the chart. Does the coin have an upward trend? And if you look at Cosmos, it's nothing, it's no rocket. It's just had here. Then we had this, this dip earlier in the year, rises again, dip, rising again. So I'm expecting that this coin is going to be up in this area, over the next few months, which will be a nice little markup for us. I like a longer hold time. 42 days is a decently long hold time in the crypto industry. I like a good sized market cap. This one is 10 billion. To me, that's pretty good. I like anything over $1 billion. If you get smaller, then you're getting into speculation. They don't have much track record usually, and not a lot of people have been buying the coin. So I like mine to at least be over 1 billion. Another one of my kind of things that I use, and this has, like I say, this isn't technical. This is just my choices. I don't like to buy at the all-time high. Typically, when we are at an all-time high, it usually means there's going to be a little bit of a pullback. It always does. Here's an all-time high, here's a pullback. Here's an all-time high, here's a pullback. Here's an all-time high, here's a big pullback. Here's an all-time high right here at 44. I think that is our all-time high right there, 44.80. And then there's a pullback, and then didn't quite make the all-time high here. Another pullback. Didn't. So this trend right here, I do not like this trend. I like to see higher highs and higher lows, which is what we've seen through most of this. But this right here is a little bit concerning for me because we're not getting higher highs. But one of my other criteria for buying my coins is I like a coin that you can stake and pays an APY. Now, I believe Cosmos is right at 5%. You'll have to verify that. But let's just read over what Cosmos is about. Cosmos, and the coin symbol is Atom, is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate within each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake, which I like rather than the proof of earn. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward. So staking, this one we get a reward, and our reward at 5% is more Atom. So I really like that. There's nothing I like better than the power of compounding interest. And this is how it works. The main idea of Cosmos is to allow for faster and cheaper decentralized applications, anything from an NFT marketplaces to decentralized exchanges, by allowing them to run on their own dedicated blockchain. All of these independent blockchains, called zones, are interconnected by the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Cosmos also provides developers with rebuilt modules that allow them to quickly create blockchains that are completely customizable for their specific use case. The Cosmos Consensus Engine, IBC protocol, and software developer kit are designed to enable the ease of use and interoperability between the chains while maintaining the security and transaction cost and speed developers would expect from other leading blockchain platforms. Keep in mind, you can earn rewards by staking Atom via Coinbase. So like I say, this is one of my favorite coins. I really like this coin. I like earning my 5%. And you've heard me say this 1,000 times. The bank is paying you 1/2 of 1%, and that's their high interest rate. Typically, it's less than that. And the majority of stocks, a 5% interest rate is exceptional if you're owning stocks, with usually not as much growth. If they're paying a 5% dividend, they're not a growth stock most of the time. There's always exceptions to everything. So I like, once again, my purchase plan is dollar cost averaging. So I can tell you exactly where I bought. I was buying in here. I know I was buying in here. Guarantee I was buying in here. And I know I bought some here because I just bought some recently during this last dip. So I always buy the dips, whether they're huge dips. If they're huge dips, I usually buy more. If they're small dips, I usually just buy a little. And sometimes I'll buy 3 or 4 times during a dip. One is, I want to see if it's going to come back up, or if it's going to go down, I may buy some more. If it goes back up, I usually don't buy anymore until the next dip. So the dollar cost averaging is my approach, and the staking is a great way. So if we go through a long period, let's just say, for example, we were buying Cosmos here at $6.50, and this is a 2-year period where we only get $2 in growth in the coin. But the great thing is we've made 5% and are acquiring more Atom this whole 2-year period. Now it's about 1.5 years, but so I don't mind when nothing is happening with Bitcoins or with the crypto market. I actually kind of enjoy it. I love this stability. This here makes me nervous. I get nervous in this, but I like the opportunity to buy back. I mean, look, and here I was able to buy probably, I'm sure I didn't time it perfectly to buy at 901, but I was buying probably in the $9 and $10 range. Well, Cosmos is back up to $35. So I like that. That's 3x and on top of my 5%. So this is my approach to picking my coins. Now, on next episode, we're going to talk about another exchange. Now, I know I've only been talking about Coinbase exchange, but I'm going to talk about another exchange where you can earn a little bit better APY on your coins. And it is another American exchange. And I'm not going to give its name out, but we'll talk about tomorrow. And I'll just read a little bit more from the Cosmos page on Coinbase. Cosmos is on the decline this week. The prices of Cosmos have fallen by 8.61% in the last 7 days. Buying opportunity. The price increased by 0.8% in the last 24 hours. Just in the past hour, the price grew by 0.4%. Current price is $35.39 per atom. Cosmos is 20.83% below the all-time high. So I like to see things below the all-time high. I do not like to see things way, way below the all-time high because that scares me. It may be, which means that somebody hyped that coin usually, because coins like Cosmos are very usable. People use them to build, and I like seeing functionality with my coins. Here on Coinbase, you can go in and learn some more stuff, the top stories on it. So this is where I go in and I learn what's going on in the Cosmos ecosystem, who's using to build projects with it. Go in here, I read it, make sure that this coin has a good track record. I look at their all-time high. Are we below the all-time high? Yes. Does it keep getting more all-time highs? Yes. Does it pay some staking money? Yes. Does it have a good market cap? Yes, 10 billion. And then I look to see, is it in a buying trend? Yes. Or the whole time, if somebody's only holding things for 1 day, that to me is speculative, and I don't really want anything to do with it. Like I said, I'm a slow and steady, buy good coins, stake them, earn money on them, let them grow slowly, and sleep better at night. Okay, well, I have shared with you my system for picking out the majority of any type of coin that I buy. Of course, this is just my opinion, and you will have your own strategy. There may be other criteria that you use to pick your coins, but this is just one of them. And, it has worked fairly well for me so far. It's not great. I'm not retired yet. But I don't want to worry about my coins at night. I don't want to have to be up in the middle of the night, worrying about buying and selling coins. I want to be able to go to bed and know that when I wake up in the morning, if things have dropped, well, then I may be buying some more coins to add to my portfolio. Thank you again for stopping by, and do your own research, and you too will be rolling in crypto.